everyone, Natasha with Natasha'ScrapbooKorner, and I am welcoming you to Alice in Wonderland Halloween decoration at the front of my door. So here are two soldiers, which stands for the number of our house on both sides. And they are made out of the Dollar Tree plaque and foam, hand cut. So here is the soldier, and here's the bucket with the paint for the bush, which half painted red and half painted, half not painted, right? And I'm putting up the signs like that around because I want everybody to be careful around the display. There is, glass, cups, pictures, and etc. So I want them to be careful. Alright, so let's go. Here is our Alice down the rabbit hole. Okay, and on the back, just in case if it will swim, here's the rabbit who is always late. Okay, here is my huge flower, and there will be a tutorial on how to make those. Really adorable. But look at this Alice legs. Oh my goodness, it took a lot of work to make them. But here she is, falling down the hole. And I use this balls, however they called, that I brought all the way from Japan, from Daiso. Here they are. Cool. And here's the clock for the rabbit, and here's another flower looking at us, the red one. And those adorable. And at the window I decided to make a mini display. Let's see. So on the upper shelf I displayed my handmade drink me, and at last we never thought you will arrive, and another jars which are actually on sale at NSK, and my handmade banner Boo, excuse me, let me try to swing around, which is as well on sale for NSK. And here's this little display. Those are my hand-painted pumpkins, and I will be doing more video on that towards Thanksgiving. This is my artificial cakes and cupcakes that we made with Janet. Hi, Janet. And those miniature queen and twins. And here they are, Alice and Mad Hatter and Sugar Cat and Rabbit. And here's this tea time little teapot. It came out so adorable. I love how this display came out. And on the back I used the standing picture frame, and I cut out from Graphic 45. At last we thought you'd never arrive background. And I use my actual floral, the orchids and stuff. Those are my artificial window display plants. And look at this, how cute. Okay, so going down. Here's our flamingo, who's hiding behind the corner because of her. Yes, here she is. Mad as a hell, pointing her finger towards Tea Party. Woohoo! tea party. Okay, this huge background, it's 10 by 10 feet. I ordered online, and her I ordered online. She's a real size standing black. So the only danger in here, I covered this sprinkler. I don't want her to get wet. So here she is in all her beauty. Although she's least of my favorite characters, but I love how she, pointing it here towards the Mad Hatter, who's sitting right there. I'll show you closer. So let's get on the bottom. So I display all the pumpkins, some of them hand painting like this, and this. Here's the empty jar for right now. It's waiting for the glow stick to go inside when the darkness is gonna come in, because they are not lasting long. This is the jar that I picked up at the thrift store, and I printed drink me tags, and in here there is a cup and it says eat me. Here's another bottle, it says drink me, miniature tea set with a pumpkin and stuff, artificial cupcakes and more pumpkins, and this is metal jars. They making a loud noise, so if the people will start it to step back, they will, be warned. And here's another one, and here is the flamingo who didn't get away. And the queen turned it into the cricket tool, okay? Croquet, sorry, cricket. Croquet tool, okay. And as for the table set, I am using artificial flowers, this huge pot with one of my unfinished artificial cakes. Here is drink me bottle. I'm trying to secure it, as much as possible. The pumpkin and a bunch of artificial cupcakes here and there. I hope people won't steal it. Okay, here's this teapot, and it's poured the tea into the cup, of course. Drink me. And here's my floating cup, and I'll do the tutorial on that. I record the process, and here's the background, here's the table with the Mad Hatter right there. I love it. And the flowers, and yeah, that's the display for this year. I'm gonna still work on several items for decoration. I didn't finish my Cheshire Cat revamp. And here is the hero. The main project is a door wreath, and I'm gonna do the tutorial on that. I recorded that. I'm gonna post it. Here's the hat, Mad Hatter's hat with the bunny ears. Absalom, A for Alice, and this clock is actually working. And this candle actually lights up. Maybe. I'll twist it in a second. And here's the butterfly that needs some love in here after transportation. The bunny tail. The Mad Hatter. And yeah, the bow, the funky bow, and getting down, here's our Alice. Alright, so I still gonna be hanging the glowing decoration with the glowing sticks. So I will record at night. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.